ongoing thing.
Hey, what's up guys, it's Christo, and welcome back to our second episode of Discord.js tutorials. I'm sorry if I sound out of breath. I just ran a mile, and I haven't done that in a while. So anyway, hopefully you guys can see this a little bit better. Going back and watching my old video, not my old video, but my last video, it kind of looks zoomed out, and hopefully this just works a little bit better. So in this video, we're going to be going over embeds. Embeds are... let me give you an example. Let me go find an embed for you really quickly. So this right here, this is an embed, and I'm gonna show you how to make that. So after you, assuming you have your command handler set up, if you don't know how to set it up, my Discord server link will always be in the description, and there's a hashtag Discord.js help channel right here that everybody likes typing dots in. Anyways, so you want to go to commands, click new file, and we're just going to call this, it doesn't matter what you call it, but just make sure. So the first thing you want to do is the same thing. It's just going to be in your every command file you do. Const discord equal require discord.js. Put a semicolon. Let me move Discord out of the way. Okay. I'm going to do exports.run equals client message args client message comma args, and do the arrow function thing, and then squiggly brackets. So you're going to come to the bottom, and you're going to do exports.help equals name colon embed. Remember, this name always has to match this, or you'll get an error. Get a few spaces. I'm gonna get a new, so we're gonna not new. I'm going to let, you can name this whatever you want. I'm just gonna do tutorial embed equal new discord.rich embed, and this is just the start of your embed. So the embed, you always use dot. So I like to start from the top and work my way down. So we're gonna do dot set title, and this is your title. So I'm just gonna name mine igloo embed. As you can see, if you put a semicolon here, it'll get rid of the error. But don't put a don't put anything yet. So we're gonna do dot set description the finest of embeds. So now you can do set color. This needs to be a hex code or whatever they're called, so I'm just gonna go to HTML color picker. So this is what I used. I just use this right here. Just search up HTML color picker. That's what I use. So I'm gonna go over and find something that works. I'm gonna do red because my favorite color is red. Just paste this right here. So if, as you can see, if you put a 2 seconds, let me make sure this is copied correctly. Make sure this is right. Dude, where's my thing? Yeah, okay. Discord.richembed.set title. Okay, I know it's wrong. This can't be here. That's why we're getting an error. Okay, don't put a semicolon there, because that literally just ends your statement. Okay. So now we're gonna do .add field. This is the fields of your embed. So basically what these are is two strings in this object. These are objects, and your quotation marks are strings, what they call it. So I'm gonna do igloo fact number 1, and then we can make this on a new line. So this puts it on a new line. And if you don't put anything after this, you'll get an error. Rich embed fields cannot be empty. That'll be error. So I'm gonna go grab an igloo fact off the internet. Facts about igloos. An igloo is a shelter for place people to stay warm and dry. So a place for people to stay warm and dry in harsh conditions. And And now I'm gonna do dot set timestamp, and we're just gonna end it right there. It's gonna do message. This is your just regular message.channel.send message.channel.send tutorial embed. So as you can see, if we get rid of this, this is not being used, but as soon as we put the D, it's being used. You can do this one of two ways. You can do this, or you can do it like this, tutorial embed. I just recommend just saving yourself the hassle and just doing it like this. I always do it like this. There's really no reason that you shouldn't do it like that. So I'm just gonna do return. And this, as far as I know, this should work. So index.js. Oh, I forgot to put node. Index.js. I'm on now, yay. I didn't know that was my message, but okay. So let me go to my bot testing server if I can find it. Okay, Eggloo is on, and now if I do embed. Okay. So embed. Did we get an error? No, we didn't. I don't think I saved it. Node index.js embed. What? This Eggloo bot smart thing. Oh, I think I'm using the wrong prefix. Yes I am. Of course. So if I drag this over here and I do embed, we get an error. Missing permissions. Ah, that's because this bot has no permission to talk because it hasn't been rolled. That's sick. So I'm gonna do embed. This is our embed, and the color that we picked is red, as you can see, and the color right here is red. Eggloo embed, the finest of embeds. So as you can see, we put Eggloo embed. That's the title. The description is the finest of embeds. Eggloo fact number 1, and a place for people to stay warm and dry in harsh conditions. So if you'd like, you can also do things like bold and stuff like that. So you can just do add field, Eggloo fact number 2, and then you can put regular codes. This is bold, and then we can control C, node index.js. I'm on now, yay, and then we do embed. And as you can see, this is bold. So you can do this for underlines, and you can do it for any regular markup language code you can put in here, which is great. And you can also do things such as setting your thumbnails, which I'll get into after I cut. Okay guys, so for setting your thumbnail, this is pretty simple. Just do message.author .display avatar URL, and control S, control C, node index.js, bring over Discord. Let's see if this works first. Okay, embed. Yep, okay. So we're just gonna go into reports so you don't see the old one or rules or something like that. So if we do embed, you can see it sets the thumbnail, which is it's really cool. It can be really helpful for using, like, mentioning players and getting just their user info and stuff like that. We're gonna go into that next episode. Next episode, we're going to do server info and user info in embeds. So I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, leave a like on the video. If you want to support the channel, there's a link in the description where you can support the channel. You don't have to. It just supports me, and I do this for free, of course. But in order to upgrade equipment, it comes at a cost. So if you guys are feeling generous, there's a link in the description. But other than that, if you guys have any questions, make sure you go in my discord.js. See, this guy needs help right here. So I'm gonna go help him, and I'll see you guys in the next one.